All right, listen up, home warranty customers. Just because you got a home warranty doesn't mean you get same day service. It doesn't work like that. You need to contact your home warranty company and let them give you the policy. We as HVAC owners, or whatever trade you're calling for, that is a home warranty vendor, we are required to reach out to the homeowners when they put a work order in 24 to 48 hours. We should contact the homeowner between 24 and 48 hours, not schedule or schedule an appointment within 24 to 48 hours. You don't have priority service. If you want priority or emergency service, bypass your home warranty company and contact your skilled trades contractor. Now it's all good, but hey, but that is true. But anyway, this call right here, there's a little background on it. They just contacted us. They put a work order in with their home warranty company. It's probably about 4 o'clock right now. But they called twice. They put the work order in maybe about 8. I think we got it, the email maybe about 8 a.m. Anywhere between 8 and 10 a.m. So that's been about 8 hours ago. And they called twice. Left a message with the dispatch team. When we were gonna contact them schedule, dispatch team let them know. Member with management will contact them shortly to schedule. So they waited about another couple hours and called back, which is fine. But they say, hey, y'all supposed to be coming out today. So anyway, I called a lady, let her know that I was going to schedule her for tomorrow. And she was like, yeah, we put the work order in, early this morning. Why we can't get on schedule until tomorrow? So I let her pretty much know we were pretty much booked today. And I kind of let her know that she don't have, well, I did let her know she don't have like priority service. If she wanted emergency service, actually she's going to have to pay, if she wanted me to come out today, she's going to have to pay an extra $75 for me to come out. And she was like, oh, why do I got a warranty if we can't get same day service and I got to pay extra for you to come out? Let's get that clear. I'm not charging her $75. She already got to pay a $75 deductible from the home warranty company, but I was going to double it. She had to pay $150 if she wanted me to come out same day or skip the line or after hours. Right now it's about 4. But anyway, long story short, lady kept explaining to me what was going on, because also I seen on the dispatch that she said she don't have any hot water. I told her I'm not a plumber. So I was trying to make sure that we got the correct work order. So anyway, find out I did have that work order. Look at my email, was one of the ones that I received this morning. So verified that she do got the right company, but I don't do hot water or whatever. And then she said, well, I got 2 problems. I don't have hot water, or we don't have heating either. So I say, oh, okay. Well, you got gas to the house. You got electric stove or a gas stove? She said, I got a gas stove, but the stove's not coming on either. So I told her, well, your gas company probably turned the gas off to the house. She said, no, it was just on 2 days ago. Oh, yeah, because she said she just moved into the house. So now this is a new here called a Bridgeland subdivision, and I do want to get inside this subdivision too. But she's been in the house 2 days, and I don't know some of these houses are brand new, but I don't think this house is brand new. I think this subdivision maybe a couple of years old. We're gonna see. I have, like I told her, I have, if she just moved into the house, I have had instances where the gas meter was still in the previous owner name, or the realtor, whoever was selling the property or whatever. She said, no, well, it was just on 2 days ago. So anyway, she say her husband, she think her husband did something because he was trying to breakers on and off, and whatever he did with what he did, the unit wasn't turning back on. So anyway, they not too far from me. So I told her, ma'am, don't worry about the $75. Just pay your normal $75 deductible, and I go ahead and see what's going on real quick, and see if we can figure out what's going on. So say, oh, thank you, you're the best person in the world. You know how that goes. So like I say, I don't know what's going on. I don't know if I'm ready to get them back up and running or not, but we're gonna see. But I got a feeling if all the gas off at the appliances, I should have asked her too, did she have any cooling or anything like that? But if all the gas off at the appliance, she's probably gonna have the meter off. But say her husband is at home, and like I say, he was tripping breakers, she think he messed something up. And well, usually a man, he should know if he ain't got gas to the house or not. Usually I'll put a little lock on that meter. But I'm pulling up now. Let's see if we can get some footage. All right, these back people.
Back up.
All right now.
All
right. Here, take a look at your AC unit.
Yeah.
All right.
I can open the garage.
It's in the attic?
Yeah.
Okay. And then kind of explain to me what's going on. I think I spoke with your wife earlier.
Ain't nothing working.
Ain't nothing working. Ain't nothing sparking on the oven.
The heat ain't cutting on.
Heat ain't. What about hot water?
Nope.
No hot water either?
Nope.
Okay.
Get back in there.
And y'all already checked the meter? Okay.
What a meter?
I don't know. It might be on the side of the house. Go. You say it's in the attic in the garage?
Yeah.
Go ahead, open it up for my star right there. All right. Well, I guess gotta say, what a meter at? You know, it's the meter right here. Yeah, it's on then, it's not locked. But I don't know if it's supposed to be blank or not though. I think we're supposed to have something digital, right? Oh yeah, it is locked. There you go, right there. Yeah, I ain't got no gas, buddy. And I still want my deductible too. Hey, my man. Yeah, let me show you. Yeah, that's what it is, and that's why I kind of trying to explain to her, cause y'all just moving in.
Yeah.
When y'all move in?
About a month.
Oh, y'all been here a whole month.
Yeah.
So y'all been having
Yeah.
Okay. Well, you're gonna want to contact them then and find out. Cause a lot of times I thought, cause she told me y'all just was here 2 days ago. Cause this don't have no display in. They put a lock on it, so they turned it off. Ain't nothing I can do about that. Cause you can't cut it. I don't think. Yeah, you can't cut it off either. You know what I mean? Cause this right here, you see this?
Yeah.
See, this on right here. That's the outgoing. That one that's supposed to be turned like that too, so it allow gas to flow. But nah, they whoever y'all water bill, gas bill with, they turned it off.
Damn.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
He said it's all. Hold on, let's talk to him.
Yeah. Hello. Yes, ma'am. Hello.
I'm here.
Yeah, he can send you a picture of it, but like I say, yeah, the gas company came and put a lock on it, and cause it's like and it has a special key on here, so they will have to come and turn it back on. So you want to make sure it's in your name, or you paying the right people. Make sure they got maybe the right card or something on file, and make sure it did get switched over to your name.
So that's the thing, because the does it show the name of it on there? Does it show?
Nah, I don't know. Bridgestone. I don't know. Y'all got mud. It might be mud something.
Mud. Okay. Let me call them.
And from
Okay.
okay, but that's who it's going to be. Contact them, and they'll have somebody come out here and take it off.
Okay, and is that why the heat wasn't coming on either?
Yeah, cause the heat is gas also, so it do the same thing the stove do. It looking for that spark. It spark, but when that gas don't come through, when it open the gas valve up, it's not going to spark on.
So I'm wondering if the hot water we had that night was just water that was still left.
Probably left over in there.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. I'm calling them now.
All right, you're more than welcome.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah, appreciate
All right, you
bro.
good, man. Y'all have any more problems, just let us know.
For sure.
Okay, then. All right. All right, HVAC people. Hey, that's a wrap right there. You know what I'm saying? Little quick, little $75. Y'all want emergency service? See, now it would have been wrong. Not necessarily. If we doing business, I wouldn't be wrong if she'd agreed to that additional $75. You know what I'm saying? And I'm going through a warranty company. So, hey, I got to charge for my $75, my time, my expertise of knowing what exactly to look at. I ain't waste no time or nothing like that. That's what you get experience for. Now, I could have stayed here an hour, start at the stove, go to the water heater, then the furnace, and then, oh man, we got to pay even a whole hour. Now you got to pay me for my knowledge of you got to pay for experience. You got to pay for the experience, and you can't teach experience. Experience is live. So let me send this invoice real quick. All right, these bad people, we out.